Today we got a call for a problem with the water heater. So this water heater's blower was making quite a bit of noise, so we had our boss Juan go and inspect it, and as you can hear here, it sounded like an engine. As you can see, that is not good at all. We expect that a blade or something is wrong with the internal side of it, as it should not be making this noise at all. Juan immediately began working uninstalling all the components he needed to in order to access the blower and uninstalling the blower itself. As you can see here, Juan is checking the fan of the water heater, but we can't see what the problem is. But either way, this thing is gonna have to be replaced with a new blower. Finally, we finished up the job. The blower was working fine. Everybody could get hot water in their apartments again. And yep, that was a good day for us. Also, if you do want more content with the Meta Glasses, please like this video, follow us, or comment to say you want to see more videos like this.